In this video, I'll be providing an overview of the SupportWorks Data Import tool. I'll begin by opening the Data Import tool on the SupportWorks server. As you can see, there's a number of import options. You can have SQL imports, text file imports, LDAP imports, etc. I'll begin by creating a simple SQL import. I have an old legacy customer database and I'll be importing records into my live SupportWorks server customer database. So to begin with, I'll need to create a new import script. There's a number of connection options such as Microsoft SQL, MySQL or ODBC. We'll choose ODBC for this example. And my ODBC connection to my old database. That seems to work correctly. Now, as you can see here, this is the actual ODBC connection we'll be using. Now that I've made the ODBC connection, I should be able to browse all the tables on the target database. I'll choose the customer table and specify the primary key on that table. We should now be able to query the table itself, and we can see the actual records in the table. I'll now select the actual columns I'd like to import. Now from the Target Value Mapping tab, I'll select the destination database in SupportWorks and the destination table, which is the customer table. I can now select the destination columns and map those to the columns in the source database. And if I now select the Control and Schedule tab, I should now be able to run the import. And as you can see, that's processed successfully and updated 75 records. If required, I can also view the import log. In terms of the other imports, the configuration is pretty much the same, only the actual source differs. So for instance, with a text file import, we'd simply need to specify the name of a text file. Everything else would remain the same. With an LDAP import, we'd simply specify the name of the LDAP server along with the actual username and password and the search route. For an Excel import, we'd simply need to specify the name of the actual Excel spreadsheet we're importing from. Another import tool we have is the Problem Profile Codes importer, which actually allows us to import problem profile codes from an Excel spreadsheet. I've got an example here we can use. Now here we actually have the option to import into the Problem Profile database or the Resolution Profile database. I'll choose the Problem Profile codes. This option here actually wipes out the existing Problem Profile codes and overwrites them with the new ones. And as you can see, we've imported 1400 Problem Profile codes.